This is the Creative Outlier Go, a true wireless sweatproof in-ear headphones with a 39-hour battery life and software Super X5. Let us unbox and take a look at its contents. So once open, this is what you see. It consists of a pair of earbuds, the charging case, and it has got other items like the USB cable and some user manual. It also comes with two pairs of ear tips, size S and size M. So let's place the earbuds into the charging case. Let us now pair the earbuds to our mobile phone. So let's remove the earbuds from the charging case. The first earbud that you remove, that is the main unit. In this case, the right is the main unit. When it's ready to pair, the LED will blink blue and red. From your mobile phone, swipe down and go to Bluetooth. It has detected our Outlier Go, the right earbud. Select that. Once it's paired, you will hear that it is connected, and there is a Bluetooth pairing with the Outlier Go left earbud. Select OK, and that is how you pair your earbuds to your mobile phone. Let us now charge the Creative Outlier Go. The earbuds are now in the charging case and they are being charged, as indicated by the glowing red LED. You can use a power bank to charge the charging case or even a phone charger. The manual recommends 1 amp charging. So plug in the USB Type-C into the charging port for the charging case, and the Type-A, plug it into the 1 amp socket of your power bank, and you can see that the charging case is being charged as indicated by the LED over here, and so are the both earbuds as well. So this is how you charge the Creative Outlier Go charging case as well as the earbuds. So we have just shown you how to unbox, how to pair, and how to charge the Creative Outlier Go.